Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up wash services in the Vehicle Wash Management System. Wash services let you define the specific tasks involved in each wash, like exterior rinse, interior vacuum, or waxing, so everything is clearly tracked and accounted for. Let's get started. First, on the Vehicle Wash System Setup, click on the Wash Services section under Vehicle Wash to open the Wash Services Management section, where you can view and edit available wash service. Then, on the Wash Services Management section, to add a wash service, click on the Add button to start adding a new service to your list. A form field will be opened up for you to enter the wash service name you want to create, something that clearly describes the service, like exterior wash or full interior cleaning. Next is to set the price for the wash service. If needed, you can also add a short description so it's clear what's included in the service. The next thing to do is to set the status of the wash service to indicate if the service is active or inactive. So click on the button to toggle it on or off. After filling in the required details, click on the Create button to complete the process and save the new wash service and add it to the list of available services. And that's it. The Wash Services section is now set up and ready to use. If anything changes later, you can always go back and update the price or details. And that concludes this tutorial on how to set up wash services for your vehicle wash management system. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.